We're on a walking tour. First, we ride the water taxi. After riding a boat to the end of the line, it's a short walk to our destination. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button, it's free, and you'll see all of my videos.
In Thailand.
We're here at the Golden Mount, a temple that was designed based on a temple from the ancient Ayutthaya era. After you. When entering the temple, one must be properly dressed with shoulders and knees covered. Clothing may be rented or purchased on site.
Right.
And then, maybe if you are good at one cooking, you cook, and everyone bring almost like a potluck.
No.
Right? And so it's become more socialized, much more than the fact that everyone who goes to the temple know what the philosophy is. Maybe if you ask, they can't tell you much. But it's become, like a community center.
Right.
That's why all the villages, they all have temples.
Right.
Yeah, that's the community center.
Exactly. And also, if you see the schools are attached to the temple. When you go to a temple, not sort of like adjacent to it, is most of the time elementary school.
Yeah. Well, we have that in the United States too.
Same.
A lot of the churches have schools attached to it.
Right. Catholic, a lot of Catholic schools.
Yeah, Catholic.
Right.
Back in the day, they were the strict schools, very strict. The teachers used to be nuns, yeah?
Yeah.
They used to be nuns who were they used to hit you if you're naughty. They hit you with the ruler very hard. But those days are gone. They can't touch you now.
I know, even parents cannot touch their own children. My gosh,
The same thing in Thailand too. Parents cannot hit the child.
We are not that far yet, but like in the States, the pendulum is, going very far left and then very far right. Like, trying to compensate to, how maybe the black people were treated before, and now, I mean, like in government, I believe that a black lady has to kill to get fired.
Just about.
Yeah.
Now, what would be the word to use to not sound like prejudice or
racist?
Racist. Do you call black person or do you call? I know.
You know what?
Confused.
Yeah.
Maybe Mel, you can.
I just call it by their first name, which is better.
No, like when we talk like this, right?
Right,
Okay,
right.
Like,
we say black people. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We say black.
That wouldn't be rude or anything, right? So I would be classified as a yellow person.
We're just Asians. Well, Hawaii is just loaded with Asians. So we all
But
mix.
now they have the woke
The what?
Woke. W-O-K-E.
Woke. They're going right now. The United States is going through this phase called wokeness, where they're trying to make everybody equal, almost like socialism. They're heading towards that way, which is the right doesn't want that to happen, the middle doesn't want that to happen, but the left is doing it.
Now the right, you mean the Republican?
Yeah.
And
You don't like woke? I cannot call you a she.
Yeah.
I cannot call you a she, and I'm not a he. That's woke.
cannot refer to as a her, this.
Yeah.
Because there's no such thing. Everybody's.
Oh, really?
That's why
And
it's,
then
it's
you
so
call
crazy.
what? Not a she, not a he, you call what? It?
You probably get.
Confused. That's what's
he,
going
she,
on.
it.
Yeah, no, they got all kinds
They have all new vocabulary for all this stuff.
of new people now, yeah. And you cannot say she's pregnant. You have to call that person a birthing person. A birthing person.
Birthing.
Birth.
B-I-R-T-H.
Birthing person.
I-N-G.
Birth. I give birth?
Yeah.
Yeah, birthing person. You cannot say.
Birth and I-N-G.
Yeah.
Birthing.
Yeah, you cannot say
And now with
pregnant
ING.
mother. Pregnant mother, because there's no such thing.
gosh.
Because they say a man can be pregnant too. A man can get pregnant.
I get.
Yeah, that's what's going on in the United States.
Oh, geez.
Stupid stuff going on.
Well,
But
welcome to Thailand then.
oh, that's why we come
Yeah.
here. People here got more logic.
I know it's almost like
But-
like the boss cannot commend the secretary that you have a nice hairdo today or
Oh
nice
yeah,
dress today.
you're fired.
That's
Yeah.
and I can't say that boy you have a nice
Yeah.
suit today.
Yeah.
You're handsome.
Yeah.
And much worse grab the ass.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
God.
You're
Well,
fired.
now you can't even touch the person.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
You know,
fired.
like you.
And
Yes.
like for example, I enjoy, like basically it's manners, right?
Yeah.
The door being open for it. I
Right,
think it's,
right.
it's a sign of respect and manners.
You can be at a dinner table. Two kids are texting each other right now. They're not talking.
My niece, when she comes and visit, she'll be on her
Yeah.
mobile. And then when she left, I'll receive a text that, it was nice visiting you. And I thought to myself, when is it that you visit? Here basically lands of temples. I don't know the law, but there's some, it's almost like a juristic person, right, for the temple. And so it basically a lot of things are from donations.
Mm-hmm.
So it's rather unthought of to sell the land of temple. Not only about legally, but how Thais some are very superstitious.
Mm.
So it's unthought of to say, I'm gonna buy the land of this temple and do this and that and those.
Mhm. Do you know how to say Bangkok? I thought it was real long.
กรุงเทพพระมหานครอมรรัต
Yeah,
น
that's
โก
the one.
สินทร์
Yeah,
ม
that's
หินทราอยุธยามหาดิลก That's the first
that's
part.
the
We were supposed to memorize it, in
In school.
Yeah, and exam.
Wow.
And spelling are really difficult because they are old languages.
Yeah.